Namaskar, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session and demand of curriculum, today we are going to discuss the next level of discussion of quadratic equation, and that because we have primarily discuss the concept of quadratic equation and how to find the value of discriminant and how to discuss about all the things of related to quadratic equation. So please see, I would like to share the screen with you, and today we are going to see some multiple choice questions, MCQ. So 1 minute please. Hello. Yes. Leave mobile to me. अंदर भेज दीजिए उनको इंटरव्यू देना. प्रोफेसर इस्लाम बोल रहा हूँ. So please let us see. Sorry for interruption. Today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions, and the topic that is very much important for you is how to solve this equation. This see question number 1, sample question number: which of the following is not a quadratic equation? So you have to check which one is not a quadratic equation. For this you have to multiply. Sorry, you have to simplify this. This will be a plus b whole square. So this will be giving you x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2a square. Then you have to multiply this factor by 2, and then after simplification you will be finding a quadratic equation. So this answer is not for you, because here is which is not a quadratic equation. Which is not a quadratic equation. Again, here is x square plus 3x, and if you multiply this factor after giving the, you can say, expansion of this, then this will also will giving you a quadratic equation. But in case of 3, why this is not a quadratic equation? Because you multiply x plus 2 into x minus 1. So what will be its result? Its result will be x square minus x plus 2x minus 2. So this will be x square minus x minus 2. And in LHS you are finding x square minus x minus 2, and in RHS you are finding x square minus 2x minus 3. So here x square and x square will be cancelled. So you will be finding just a linear equation. Means the result you are finding in which the power of variable is 1. So if the power of variable is 1, means that is not a quadratic, that is a linear equation. Again, you have to see the symbol. So this is the correct answer C. This is not a quadratic equation. Again, please see, let us write which constant should be added and subtracted to solve the quadratic equation. This by the method of completing the square. What you should add to this, that so that this may be converted as a quadratic equation. What should be? So means this may be converted in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Means what should be added and subtracted. So one by one you should, this is your first option, this is your second option, this is third option, and this is fourth option. So one by one you put this in the LHS as a square and in RHS as a square, and then you see that which one is justifying the concept that you are getting the complete square, and the as per the solution after putting this you can get the complete square. So this is the correct answer. But you can say that, sir, just you are telling how it is possible. For that you should do at least. You should complete the square, because in your very, you can say, school level mathematics, you have learned that how to complete the square of a given, you can say, result. So the same you have to do here also. Now, please take the screenshot of this numerical problem, because you have to do these all numerical problems, and this may be part of your evaluation. This is part of your examination. Even you know that in different competitive examinations, objective questions are generally asked to you. Multiple choice questions are asked to you. So the question is the same as we have discussed as the sample in the above discussion. So choose the correct answer from the given 4 options in the following questions. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Which of the following is a quadratic equation? So you have to simplify this. Again, you have to simplify this. After simplifying and cancellation in LHS and RHS, you know that the like term will be cancelled out, and the rest will be just saying that whether that is the quadratic equation or not, whether that is a quadratic equation or not. So you can check by doing only. So just by remembering that B option is here correct, C option is correct, D option is correct, this is not the way to learn mathematics. And this is just if you are opting that situation, then that may leading to you, and that may leads to you in a very, you can say, confusion. So you have to learn the process. You don't proceed to remember the answer that which one is the correct option, because after just giving a slight change, your option will be changed. So please learn how to solve. So for that, you just, I'm discussing on option 1 here. LHS is the, as usual, let it forget, and then expand this 4 minus x whole square as a minus b whole square is 4 square into 2 into 4 into x plus x square plus 3. Simplify. Then I expect that x square and x square are coming here, so this will be cancelled. So this is not a quadratic equation. In the like manner, you can check from here and here. So which one is the suitable answer? You have to select, and then you have to write just A, B, C. That is the way of writing the answer. And then this is the which of the following is not a quadratic equation. Here was which one is quadratic equation. Here is which one is not quadratic equation. Question is the same. You have to adopt the same procedure for the solution of the correct answer. Which of the following equation has 2 as a root? Which of the following equations has 2 as a root? means you have to solve this equation, then we have to solve this equation, then you have to solve this equation, then you have to solve this equation, and you have to see that in the solution of which one of the equations 2 is coming as one of the answers. So then the correct answer you are searching for will be given by this way. This is objective 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take a screenshot of this also. Though this is a portion of NCERT objective, so you can consult that book also for solving this, since you are revising your elementary level study of, you can say, BC mathematics. So this is the way that we can introduce you that what is the quadratic equation and how very easy and multiple choice questions will be solved by you. It is why we are using this. And students, now short and reasoning questions will be discussed after some moment. So students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query or in case of any confusion, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for joining and listening this lecture. Thanks a lot. Further, I would like to add at the end that during the, you can say, live interaction, you can also put your query if you have any confusion during the, you can say, getting solution of any MCQ just we have discussed here. So thank you very much once again.